Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 electric air dusters in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading electric air duster that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. Let's see why this versatile tool is a must-have. The HOTO vacuum cleaner features a brushless motor, delivering powerful 15,000 pascals suction. It easily sucks up dust from desktops, computers, and car crevices. Experience the convenience of vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing in one device. The HOTO cleaner simplifies your cleaning routine with its multifunctionality. With a high-speed airflow rate of 500 Lmin, the HOTO air blower quickly inflates and effectively cleans keyboards, making it effortless to reach narrow spaces. Weighing only 0.78 pounds, the HOTO vacuum is lightweight and easy to carry. Its one-button design ensures simple control for efficient cleaning. The HOTO cleaner comes with a variety of accessories, including vacuum and air valves, a dust cup, and a movable brush head, enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, the HOTO handheld vacuum cleaner is a powerful, multifunctional, and portable cleaning tool. Number 4. The V9 Compressed Air Duster. Let's explore what makes this powerful, eco-friendly tool a game-changer for all your cleaning needs. The V9 features an 8,000 mAh battery, providing an hour of continuous use at L1 speed. Its HD LED display shows remaining battery in wind gear, ensuring you charge it in time. Equipped with a brushless motor, it reaches 350,000 RPM, generating wind force up to 300 G. This makes it twice as effective as traditional air dusters at removing dust. This cordless air duster is rechargeable, reusable, and energy efficient. It offers a long standby time of over 2 years, making it a sustainable and cost-saving alternative to canned air. Weighing only 0.67 pounds, the V9 is lightweight and portable. Its compact size allows you to carry it easily in your bag or pocket, providing convenience wherever you go. With 4 adjustable airflow settings, the V9 is versatile. It can clean keyboards, PC components, car windows, and more. It's also great for inflating, removing snow, and even taking photos. In conclusion, the V9 Compressed Air Duster is a versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly tool. Number 3. The IT Duster's AirTec Ultra Electric Air Duster Blower. Let's uncover what makes this cleaning gadget stand out. The AirTec Ultra delivers a continuous jet of fresh air, perfect for cleaning tech devices like PCs, consoles, TVs, and servers, as well as home appliances. With 6 interchangeable nozzle attachments, it provides enhanced control and versatility. Use finer nozzles for accuracy and larger ones for broader cleaning power, ideal for any task. Featuring a 350W energy-efficient motor, the AirTec Ultra is an eco-friendly alternative to canned air dusters. It ensures high performance with minimal power usage. Weighing only 1.5 pounds, the AirTec is compact and robust. Its ergonomic design and one-button operation make it easy to handle and efficient to use. No need for recharging or refills, simply plug in the 6.5-foot power cord and start cleaning with a flick of a switch. Convenience at its best. In conclusion, the IT Duster's AirTec Ultra is a versatile, eco-friendly, and powerful cleaning tool. Number 2. The iDOO Compressed Air Duster, a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. Let's dive into its amazing features. The iDOO duster is compact, made from durable aluminum alloy. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use. Carry it anywhere with ease. Equipped with an upgraded brushless motor, it offers 3 speed levels. The powerful blowing and suction forces make cleaning any electronic device or car interior a breeze. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes. The USB Type-C charging cable makes it convenient to charge. An automatic 10-minute shut-off feature prevents overheating. This tool blows away dust and vacuum debris. Its cordless design and powerful motor make it perfect for quick cleaning of electronics, game accessories, and even delicate jewelry. Eco-friendly and cost-efficient, this air duster is a sustainable choice. It offers the same powerful blast as traditional canned air dusters without harming the environment. In conclusion, the iDOO compressed air duster is a must-have for anyone who values a clean environment. Number 1. The WOLFBOX MF100 Electric Air Duster. Let's see what makes this cordless air duster a must-have tool. The MF100 boasts a powerful turbo fan reaching 150,000 RPM. This results in a high wind speed of 45 ms, perfect for blasting away stubborn dust. Equipped with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, it's ideal for cleaning electronics, keyboards, cars, and more. It even handles outdoor tasks like inflating gear and managing campfires. With durable construction and long battery life, the MF100 can be reused over 500 times. It's an economical and eco-friendly alternative to single-use compressed air cans. Charging is a breeze with Type-C support, reaching full capacity in just 2.5 hours. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of runtime, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Weighing only 0.66 pounds, this air duster is lightweight and portable. It includes a handy lanyard, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. In conclusion, the WOLFBOX MF100 Electric Air Duster is a versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly cleaning tool. With its impressive features, it's a valuable addition to any tech enthusiast's toolkit. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.